Congratulations on starting your treatment at Holliday Ortho. It is a big day for you. This video will aid you in your orthodontic treatment success in Invisalign. It is essential for you to know that aligners do not work if you do not wear them. Therefore, you must wear your aligners for at least 22 hours a day. Aligners should only be removed while eating, drinking anything other than water, brushing, and flossing. You will receive an Invisalign Start Kit. You will find a box that contains an aligner case and cleaning crystals. It is important to keep the case with you at all times. Please avoid putting your aligners in a paper towel as it can be accidentally thrown away. Instructions for the cleaning crystals are inside the box. You will also receive a travel kit that includes a toothbrush, floss, toothpaste, toothbrush cover, Emory Board, and Chewies. Please floss at least once a day at night before going to bed. We will include a Quip electric toothbrush. Follow the instructions on the handout included in your kit to get your first toothbrush head refill for free. We have provided you with an Emory Board to help with any rough areas on your Invisalign aligners. Begin by using the coarse side on the Emory Board and begin filing the area that is bothering you. Be sure to run your fingers on the aligners to check it's smooth to your liking. Chewies are a tool we highly recommend using when seating your aligners properly. After inserting your aligners, chew into the Chewies and bite firmly for about 5 seconds, starting from one side to the other. This will allow the aligners to forcefully hug onto your attachments, ensuring that your aligners fit better and make the movement more comfortable. Chewies are reusable. Just rinse and leave it out to dry. Best to always keep one in your case at all times and the other as a backup. Let's now review cleaning your Invisalign aligners. With clean hands, begin by taking your aligners and using a soft bristled toothbrush. Add a pea-sized amount of antibacterial soap to your brush. Begin by brushing all areas of the aligner. Brushing helps to remove all bacteria. We ask that you do not use toothpaste, as this may scratch your aligners. Do not soak in mouthwash or denture cleaner. It is normal to experience a dull and achy sensation. Please feel free to take Tylenol or ibuprofen or any other type of pain medication that you feel comfortable taking for muscle aches or headache. Please give us a call if anything becomes lost or broken. We will get you in as soon as we can. Cooperation and good dental hygiene are a big part of successful orthodontic treatment. In order to encourage patients to do their part, Holliday Orthodontics has created a Smile Rewards program. With this program, you'll earn points for being an excellent patient, such as brushing your teeth, being on time to your appointments, and wearing your aligners. These points can be used towards gift cards to various stores. To register your Smile Rewards card, go to our website located on the back of the card. We also recommend visiting your dentist every 6 months for dental cleanings. Please remember to bring in your dental certificate the next time you visit your general dentist. Have your dentist fill it out and bring it back to our office for additional points. We ask that you come in at specific intervals for us to monitor your progress. If you need to make a change, please give us a call as soon as possible, and we will reschedule your appointment. Please note excessive cancellations may lead to prolonged treatment. If you are enrolled in dental monitoring, we ask that you are consistent with taking your scans as directed. Please note that a missed scan is considered a missed appointment. We at Holliday Ortho want to thank you for allowing us to be a part of your smile journey. We look forward to creating a beautiful, confident smile.